Which company made ChatGPT? The options are A. YouTube, B. OpenAI, C. Marvel. The correct answer is OpenAI. Which robot assistant can talk to you on your phone? The options are A. ChatGPT, B. Gemini, C. Siri. The correct answer is Siri. Who is considered the father of AI? The options are A. John McCarthy, B. Alan Turing, C. Steve Jobs. The correct answer is John McCarthy. What do we call a robot that talks like a human? The options are A. Facebook, B. YouTube, C. Chatbot. The correct answer is chatbot. Which of these uses AI to suggest videos you like? The options are A. YouTube, B. Google Maps, C. Calculator. The correct answer is YouTube. Which AI assistant is made by Apple? The options are A. Alexa, B. Cortana, C. Siri. The correct answer is Siri. Which smart helper can turn off the lights when you ask? The options are A. Alexa, B. Gemini, C. OpenAI. The correct answer is Alexa. Which AI defeated the world chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1997? The options are A. AlphaGo, B. Ludo AI, C. Deep Blue. The correct answer is Deep Blue. Which one is an AI art tool that can draw from words? The options are A. Illustrator, B. Photoshop, C. DALL-E. The correct answer is DALL-E. Which company is known for its AI assistant named Alexa? The options are A. Google, B. Apple, C. Amazon. The correct answer is Amazon. Which of these is a real AI robot? The options are A. Olaf, B. R2D2, C. Sophia. The correct answer is Sophia. What is the brain of an AI system called? The options are A. Engine, B. Neural network, C. Circuit. The correct answer is neural network. Which AI system beat world champions in the game Go? The options are A. AlphaGo, B. GPT-5, C. BERT. The correct answer is AlphaGo. Which tool creates images from words? The options are A. Midjourney, B. ChatGPT, C. Grammarly. answer is Midjourney. What is the name of the AI chatbot developed by Google? The options are A. Gemini, B. ChatGPT, C. Alexa. The correct answer is Gemini. What was the former name of Google's AI chatbot now called Gemini? The options are A. Neobot, B. Infogeny, C. Bard. The correct answer is Bard. Which AI program became famous for winning the quiz show Jeopardy? The options are A. Watson, B. Bard, C. Copilot. The correct answer is Watson. Which company created the famous robot Asimo? The options are A. Honda, B. Toyota, C. Sony. The correct answer is Honda. What is the AI voice in Android phones called? The options are A. Eve, B. Cortana, C. Google Assistant. The correct answer is Google Assistant. What do robots use to sense their surroundings? The options are A. Sensors, B. Gears, C. Springs. The correct answer is sensors. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to Fajura IQ for more fun quizzes.